A native event app is an application that can be installed on a smartphone or tablet. They can be downloaded on both Apple and Android devices via the App Store and Google Play Store. We recommend you publish your event app on both stores to reach a maximum number of participants. When you choose a native event app for your event, you provide your attendees with the ultimate experience. In the palm of their hand, they can see your event information, documents, speaker bios, sponsor and exhibitor info, and can also see a list of other participants with whom they can chat directly and/or schedule one-to-one meetings. They can also create group chats. In just a few clicks, they can respond to polls, quizzes, word clouds, Q&As, surveys, and more. You can use an event wall to display the results in real time. You can also update and engage your attendees via push notifications. To learn more, check out our video where we explain all about them. If you want to ensure a fluid experience on the day of your event, make sure you invite them to download your event app beforehand. This way, they can interact with you from the moment they enter your event. When you opt for a native event app, you can even start engaging your attendees well before the start of your event, and of course, well after. With Eventdrive, you can easily create and publish a dedicated native app for your event or a multi-event app. It's one app that hosts multiple events. You have a wide choice of ways to customize your app so that it represents your brand. Of course, you can customize the content and choose what your participants can see or not. You don't necessarily need to provide them with access to your participant list. For example, check out our other video where we go into detail about all the different types of event apps.